Good morning, everyone. We are on our first day of car shopping. Maybe the last. Who knows at this point. So we're really excited. Thought I'd do some little clips and show you guys what it's like. And we just stopped for some Starbucks. The new Impossible sandwich, so yummy. And then I got a hibiscus refresher. And yeah, I'm excited but nervous. I've never bought in a car. I've had the same car since I was 16, and basically yesterday it stalled out in the middle of the road, and so it was something called the idle air control actuator or something like that, and it was a cheap repair, but my car needs so many other repairs that basically ended up being like $4,000, and my car is so old that it's not worth it. The windows also don't work, the trunk doesn't open, the locks don't have like an automatic lock, the seatbelt I have to click 100 times, and the air conditioner is super hot. So it's time to say goodbye to my 2004 Honda CRV that I've had since I was 16, and it's time to get my first big girl car, and I'm really excited. This is eventually going to be like our family car, so it's really exciting to look at it, and I just get excited just thinking about all the adventures we're gonna go on with this car. And yeah, but I have to stay strong today. I'm practicing my poker face so that Blake and I can get the best deal possible, and I'm so excited. This beautiful piece of metal, so beautiful, but not in our price range. Unless we can do some negotiating. So pretty. Oh my dear Jesus. I don't need the Apple CarPlay though. Like, this one is nice. And its own. I mean, the only thing would be I would like to have the GPS on the screen, which you have to have the CarPlay for that, right?
You could always technically go like third party and get Apple CarPlay that way. But
why is this so beautiful? Air conditioning. Air conditioning. Windows.
But I mean, this has all the safety features too. Though,
It's
like
amazing.
The lane keep assist, but it won't have.
I genuinely though, I feel like I don't need the other one because I don't care about the sunroof.
That's not the sunroof, but all the convenience features, like having your keys just being able to unlock the door right there. I believe the
Oh, like
trunk,
when you're holding it in your
the
hand.
trunk feature.
So it's mostly like all the additional features, but I would rather save a few $1,000
Yeah, but you
and
have
not
to
get those
think
features.
too, like this car's gonna be with you for a long time.
I know, that's the thing. This is gonna be the family car too,
Yeah.
so it has to be really safe.
CarPlay is huge.
This is a big deal, guys. So beautiful. Okay, here's the new one we're looking at. By the way, I forgot to say, but we're looking at hybrid 2020 Honda CRVs. Don't know if that's what we're gonna end up getting. We might end up getting a used one. That's what we're looking at. Okay, so here's the upgraded version of that last one. So this is the EX,
The EX.
and we were just in the LX. So you can see the screen is so nice. And the keys work, so it's like a touchless open with the door, basically. This one has a sunroof, which I don't really care about. Look at all that freaking space. Oh my gosh, it is so beautiful. I'm gonna let Blake take a turn because I know you're dying to get in here. It's very comfy too. Is this the one that has the seat saved?
Yeah, both of them.
Oh, I don't think on this one.
Maybe not on this one, but there was one.
Maybe it's like the higher up hybrid.
Yeah.
Isn't that
Definitely
comfy?
super roomy. It's a lot better than your last CRV.
Yeah.
As far as room goes.
Well, this one is lower to the ground, I think, than my last CRV, if I'm not mistaken.
I like it a lot. And then like all the stuff over here, all the space in the cup holders.
Yeah. Going on hour number 3. But we got water.
You're doing it.
Oh, wait, hold on.
Hit clear.
Oh, okay.
Start right here. There you go. There you go.
Signing your life away.
Up, guys. Meet Mrs. Maisel.
Edge.
We got her. This is the 2020 Honda CRV EX.
Yep.
EX. So I'm so happy. I genuinely cannot believe this is my car. I genuinely cannot believe it. It's got the nice little sunroof. It's got, I'll show you all the cool features. So it's got the Apple CarPlay. It's got backup assist. One of my favorite features is it has a brake hold. So especially for living in Atlanta and anywhere else we're living in the future, if we're stuck in traffic, you can press the brake hold and you have to keep your feet on the brake, which is so nice.
Wow, it's very smooth.
So yeah, Blake is driving it for the first time. It is so beautiful. Something else that's really cool is it has this, so the sunglass thing, it has this. Let me see how to keep it. There we go. So you can see your kids in the back seat because obviously this is going to be our family car. So that is super cool. And it just has so many other like super cool features. I'm just so happy. I genuinely cannot believe that it's mine. Like I said, I've had the same car since I was 16. I'm 24 now. It feels so weird to have a new car and to just have everything working. It's so nice. And yeah, I'm super happy. I feel very blessed that we were able to do this right now. Obviously we would not have come right now if we didn't have to, but I did not have a car. So it was kind of a bad time in the coronavirus pandemic, but it's actually going to work out in the long run. It's going to help our credit and everything else. So yeah, we're really excited, and I can't wait to have more adventures in this car. Look how beautiful. It has that nice new car smell, and then in the back it has that thing that like pulls over the trunk, so it like protects your groceries, or it's a privacy screen if you don't want anybody to see what's in it. Just so happy. What do you think? You like how it drives?
Yeah, it's awesome, dude. It's very smooth.
It's your car too.
I know, it's crazy.
I mean, it's more
This
so my
happens
car,
so
but
all of a sudden too. It's wild.
I know. If you would have told me yesterday that I was gonna have a new car today, I would not have believed you at all.
Shout out to David, baby.
Yeah, David and VP were a great help at Curry Honda, but yeah, I just can't believe it. I'm literally in shock. I started crying once we signed all the paperwork and stuff, which my mom was not lying. It takes forever. We literally got there at like 10:30 and it's 4 o'clock now. Once we did all the paperwork, we were sitting in the car and he was showing us all the features and stuff, and I literally, my eyes started watering. I was so happy. I genuinely cannot believe this is my car.
Yeah, it feels like a rental.
It's literally gonna take me forever to get used to. I can't believe it's my car. Oh, I'm so excited. It has so many other cool features too. Like it has in the front, it has the automatic braking. So like if a kid runs in front of the car or if somebody swerves into my lane, it has the automatic braking, which is super cool. I'm just so excited, guys. I'm nervous because I've never had a car worth this much money. So now I feel, holy crap. See? He came really close to our car right as I was saying that. But yeah, it's nerve-wracking because I've never had a car worth this much money. So like, just making sure that it's not going to get scratched or damaged or anything else. That's probably what I'm going to be doing tomorrow. Tomorrow's my day off. I actually have to go to work in an hour. So tomorrow I'm probably going to put all my stuff in my car, probably order some cool artwork for the back. I'm just so happy. I'm so happy. Are you happy?
Yeah, this is awesome.
Are you excited for all of our road trips to be in this car now?
Yes.
So much more spacious than his car.
I'm just so hyped that yours has your own AC controls. That is...
Oh yeah, that's something else I'll show you guys. So there's 2 different AC controls. So the driver has one, and then the what is this called? Passenger seat has one, and then there's some for the back seat as well. So that is super cool because I get very cold in the car and Blake gets very hot. So we're always arguing on our drives down to Florida to see our families about who gets to control the AC. So now we each get our own temperature. It's gonna be awesome. So cool. I am the type of person who likes to use things until they are done too. So like this car was definitely a hefty investment, but it is going to be an investment that pays off in the long run because I plan to have this for years and years. And even if I don't plan to drive it for years and years, I plan to give it to my kids one day if it's still doing its thing. So it feels good to have something, an investment in ourselves, right?
Yeah, this is surreal. It's crazy.
I literally can't believe it. Blake's using the backup assist for the first time. Never had this in my car.
Working out well for me.
Yeah, you're a little close. Why don't you pull forward again and try again? Look at my old Honda in the background. Hold on, it's gonna refresh. My old Honda in the background.
What
There
am I
she
supposed to do?
is.
Line? I'm just gonna do it normal.
It's just telling you. So the yellow is the direction that the car is going in. You can see in the distance there, the one on the left, my 2004 Honda CRV with a bunch of dents in the door, and my beautiful new car. Guess what? Mommy and Daddy just got a new car! We 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 got a new car! For all the rideys and all the tripsies, we're gonna go riding in your new seatsies. You can have so much spaceies. Oh yes, it's so fun! Yay! What's up, guys? It is now a few hours later. I just got off of my work shift. It's the same day that we got the car, and I thought, what better way to celebrate getting the new car than taking Nala for an RIDE in the new car. So I'm about to put on some clothes, and we're gonna put, my grandma just bought me a new cover for the car, so I'm gonna put that in the back seat so Nala can roam around, and we're gonna see how she likes it. I'm really excited to see what she thinks of the sunroof, so I'm really excited. So this is the cover that my grandma got me. Coincidentally, she got it for us like a couple months ago when we were there visiting. So this is clutch. We're gonna put it in the back seat because I definitely do not want the new car to get all covered in hair. So this is gonna be nice. Thanks, Grammy. Nala, Mommy got a new car. She got a new car. She did. Do you think we should go for a ride in a new car? We should. We should go for a ride. Guess what? It also has a sunroof. I know, right? So cool. It's literally midnight. I am so tired. Between yesterday, my car literally breaking down, and today being there we were there from 10:30 till, what time did we leave? Like 4? 10:30 to like 3:30 or 4. And wait, where's her leash? Hold on, I'll get it. So it's been a long day. And yesterday was a long day, but we are just really excited to have a car, and we really want to take Nala, so we're going. She's so excited. She's so excited. Yay. Okay, I know it's super dark, but there's my old car. So I want to see if Nala is going to stop at the old car. She thought about it, and then she was like, no. There's the new baby. Woohoo! She's ready to get in. We don't even have the cover on yet. You can't get in yet, Mama. Shabby. We gotta protect the new car. She's sniffing all over. No, not yet. Not yet. All right, you can go. Go on. Come on. You got it. Come on. Yeah, new car. Come here, let me take your collar off. Oh, you can't get to it. There we go. What's also cool is these doors open at a 90-degree angle, so it's easy to get in and out. Huh, Nals? All right, we're gonna see how Nala reacts to the sunroof. I don't even know if she'll notice it, to be honest. She's not gonna be able to get to it, but just curious. Okay, let's see.
Other way.
Wait, I don't know how to do this.
Just hold it.
Nala, look. Look, do you see this? You can't see her. She's not paying attention at all. She just wants snips out the window. It's so dark outside. Where's riding Mom's new car? Barely see her. There she is. There's her little nose. Nala, who's that? Who's that? The lights are out so we can see her. Happy girl! Stopping for a little midnight snack. Literally, it's 12:07. So, here we go. We were planning when we did this little drive to get ice cream, but I'm so full. We just had like a celebratory dinner for purchasing our new car. So we had some like brie and some potatoes and wine. It was delicious, carb overload. So we even though we were gonna get ice cream, we are both very full, so we're just gonna get Nala a cheeseburger, which she's gonna eat at the house. She's definitely not gonna eat it in my brand new car. Could you imagine if she dropped it? I'd be so mad. What do you think of the new car?
It's so sick, dude.
Isn't it fun just to drive it?
It's so smooth.
It's literally so smooth. When I was driving home from work, there's this place on the highway where, like, basically when you're merging into the new lane, there's like a pothole in the ground and you can't really like miss it because you're stuck in that one lane. And I hit it and I literally did not even feel it. Whereas like in my old CRV, I was like boom every time I hit it every day. It's just so incredible. I feel so good. And I don't want to make this vlog to brag because, like I said, I've had the same car since I was 16. So I'm just really proud of how hard both of us have worked to get to this point, to have a new car, and that we waited long to get it. And it just feels so surreal. I'm so happy. I love this car so much. And I hope that she lasts us a very, very long time. Good morning, everybody. So it is the next day. And I got a really good night of rest last night, which was really awesome because I was so tired after those long 2 days. But today is going to be another big day. I'm currently uploading my vlog back there, as you can see. And I'm about to start, well, yesterday I took everything out of my old car. But now I need to go through it all and figure out what I'm keeping, what I need to get rid of, and what's going to be going back into the new car. So I need to go finish. I think there's a couple things left in the old car. And then I'm going to start going through it and putting all my stuff in my new car. And I think today I'm probably also going to order some new car stuff online, like maybe some stickers or some like cool air freshener things, something cute to put in my car. And I think in a couple months I'll probably get a vlog mount as well. But that's probably going to be a little bit of a hefty one, so I'm going to wait for that. And yeah, I love my car so much. Blake's currently taking it to get groceries because he really wanted to take it. And I just love it so much. I literally was like, I could sleep in here tonight because I'm just so happy. So yeah, that's currently what's happening. I don't know how much more I'll be vlogging today, but just wanted to update you guys on what's going on. Thank you everyone so much for watching today's vlog. I am currently editing it right now, so I just wanted to say goodbye and say thank you so much for watching. We are loving the car. We've had it for about a week now, and we love it so much. So if you're thinking about getting it, I highly recommend. We're really happy with it. So we're really excited for all the adventures to come, all the road trips, everything else. And anyway, guys, we're going to go to Helen, Georgia this week for a day. So come back next week to see that vlog. And I hope you guys are staying safe, staying healthy, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.